We've made some significant upgrades to our n8n Chat Widget Pro, some welcome improvements. First, let me move this over so you can see it more clearly. We've introduced drag and drop functionality, allowing you to resize, reposition, and move the chat window around the screen. We've also added the option to include pills here. These are quick choice buttons that appear when users open the chat, which you can configure through our configurator. But there's more to it than that. We've implemented these options as routes, giving the chat widget context awareness regarding what visitors are viewing on your website. Let's look at our demonstration property company site as an example. Imagine someone is browsing this property listing and decides they want to arrange a viewing. They open our chat widget and click on viewings. We've made updates, so the chat widget now has full context of the page you're looking at, enabling some powerful automations within n8n. As you can see, I simply clicked on viewings, and it's providing us with details about this specific property because it knows exactly what we're viewing. That's a key improvement we've made. If we look at our demo workflow in n8n and examine the last execution, you can see within our webhook there's additional data coming through in the body. This is supplementary to what existed before. We now have context page data, which provides the URL, the origin, and all information contained within that URL. If there are any query parameters, they'll all appear here. Because we have that context, notice there's an ID within this URL, we can now give our AI agent a tool to use that ID to retrieve information from our backend, providing it with context about what we're viewing. Context-aware chat if you use it intelligently. Other changes we've made include the ability to initiate a new chat simply by clicking this button at the top. And that's a new addition. All of this is configurable via our configurator, so everything that existed previously remains available. Full theme customization, position control, complete preview within our configurator. You can still modify all the colors and branding exactly as before. We recently introduced session persistence, so if users navigate around the website or reload the page, the session remains persistent with the transcript saved for your chosen duration. That's a recent addition. The other new feature we've introduced is the pills configuration. Let me show you what that looks like. We now have a new option for a customized welcome screen. When I select this option and view our widget on screen, it allows us to add a set of custom instructions. Within this, we can add multiple routing options. For example, I could add a support route, and then within our AI agent webhook configuration, we have our corresponding route defined here. This enables you to create different AI agents for specific topics, routing conversations accordingly. In my current setup, the prompt receives location context about what the user is currently viewing, and we pass metadata to the AI so it understands the user's current position within the interface. The AI can then access and utilize this contextual information through its available tools. A comprehensive tutorial covering this functionality will be released soon, so watch out for that on our YouTube channel.